Hi everyone, my name is Phang and I'm going to present my real-time programming individual assignment 1. Introduction. Weather on the Go is a Telegram bot that provides real-time weather update especially to travelers. It simplifies access to weather data, addressing the limitation of slow and complex weather apps built with IntelliJ IDEA and Maven. The bot integrates APIs like OpenWeather, Stormglass, sunset sunrise times, and OpenCage for weather, marine data, timing of sunset and sunrise, and geocoding. It was tested locally and deployed on the cloud via Docker, offering features such as current weather, forecast, air quality, timing of sunset and sunrise, and marine data through a user-friendly interface. I have 7 classes, which is air quality, current weather, forecast, main, marine weather, sunrise, sunset, and weatherbird. I have separated each functionality into different classes. It follows the principle of separation of concerns and modularity, making each class responsible for a specific feature. This structure ensures that the board remains flexible, maintainable, and easy to extend in the future. Let me start with our main class. Main class is to initialize and register the weather board with the Telegram bot API. The next one is weather code. This class is a Telegram bot that interacts with users to provide weather-related information such as current weather, air quality, forecast, sunrise and sunset times, and marine weather. It listens for commands from users and responds accordingly with the relevant information. And this is method summary. We have get bot token and get bot username and on update received. So the third class is air quality. The air quality class provides method to fetch and display air quality data for a specific city using the OpenWeather Map API. The data include the air quality index and pollutant levels. And here is a meta summary. We have get air quality. So the fourth one is current weather. The current weather class provides method to fetch and display the current weather conditions for a given city using the OpenWeather Map API. The data include temperature, feels like temperature, humidity, wind speed, weather description, and an icon representing the weather conditions. So this is method summary. We have display weather icon, get weather, and process weather requests. So the fifth method is forecast. The forecast class provide method to fetch weather forecast data from the OpenWeather Map API. It includes a 3-day forecast for a specific city and a specific forecast for a given city and date. And here is a method summary. Get specific forecast, get weather forecast. So the sixth class is marine weather. The marine weather class fetches marine weather data for a given location using the Stormglass API. It retrieves latitude and longitude coordinate for the specific location using the OpenCage geocoding API. The class provides information such as weather temperature, swell height, wave height, and other marine conditions. So here is our method summary, which is get marine weather. So the last class is sunrise sunset. The sunrise sunset class provides functionality to fetch sunrise and sunset times for a given location using the sunrise sunset API and the OpenCage geocoding API. So here's our method summary, which is get sunrise and sunset. So let me continue my presentations with my demo. Click the menu, start the board. The board will ask us to choose a command. Here is 6 command. So we choose weather command. The bot will ask us to input the command in the correct form. So and it will display the weather information in Perak with an icon. So we try another wrong locations. So it will display an error message. So we continue our command with forecast, and it have two types of command. We try the first command. This type of command will display 3-day forecast. And the second type of command, it only will display the specific date. So we try another command. This will display an error message because this data is not available in API. The API only can fetch the next 5 days from now. So we try a wrong location. It will display an error message. So we continue our command, air quality. So follow the command form. Report. It will display the air quality index and pollutant levels. We try and wrong location. It will display an error message. So we continue with the next command, sunrise and set. Follow the command instruction. So we put a place. And it will show the date and the times for sunrise and sunset. So continue with marine. We try marine Sampona. And it will display the marine information in Sampona. So we try total. For this case, the data unavailable means that the marine information is not available in the API, so it failed to fetch the data. So we try wrong locations. It will prompt an error message. So the last command is help. If user type this command, then it will display a list of commands that we can use. And this is the description of the command. My Docker Hub and my repository. So with this Docker pull command, the other users can run this command to use my Telegram bot. Go to Telegram bot, we try to type the command, and we will find that the bot is no functions. So go to Docker and we run our Docker. Click start. And the Docker run. So the bot will become functions. So this is the proof that we have successfully created the Docker. I use the UML generator in IntelliJ to generate the UML class diagram. This diagram shows the relationships between different classes. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.